So it's competition time. Who's going to be the winner? Well, first of all, I'd like to say a huge thank you for everyone for taking part. So a big thank you to Wazakura for offering our prize, which is a 6.1 centimetre, so it's a 61 millimetre black kenzan. So this is such a great product. It'll be a great thing to have in your toolbox. And they very kindly have donated that to us, and they'll send it to whoever our winner is. So thank you to them, but thank you to everyone who watched our video, who commented in the sections. And really, your comments were really interesting. Not only did we get comments from as far afield as Texas and Scotland, but we got some really good suggestions. So we got suggestions for foam-free designs, for competition designing, a 20s themed party design, more ikebana, which is great. Maybe some church designs, because quite a lot of our viewers regularly make flowers in churches, and that's a great place to create designs. Also designs featuring particular flowers, so specifically narcissus. They're quite a tricky one to use, so that would be quite interesting. And also some pave tapestry type designs as well. That was just some of the suggestions we got, and we've taken note of all of them. So it'll be really interesting if we can include some of those in our upcoming videos. So let's see who's going to be our winner. And it's over to Janos, who's going to work his magic and run the draw. Here we go.
Hello, you beautiful people. I'm here to do the draw for you. Very exciting. There was 46 comments. Let's pick the winner. As I said, we had 46 comments. Everyone's name up here. Username, shall I say. We're gonna pick the winner in the random number generator. I have YouTube open up as well. Let's do this. So 146. Let's pick the winner. Number 38. Who is user TV3RN80T6U. It would be better if I know your name, but if you can contact us, but John will comment under your video as well. Under your comment, I mean. Congratulations. Thank you to everyone who entered, and back to John.
So there you go, that's our winner. I hope everyone was happy to take part. We really appreciate that you've watched and that you've engaged with us as a channel, and really, congratulations to our winner. Your prize is going to wing its way to you, and let us know what you do with it. Send us some pictures. We've got an email address. It's flowerjuice@gmail.com. We'd love to see what you do with your kenzan. But we love seeing what people do in general. So if you've got pictures of something that you've made and you want to share it with us, then just send us it and let us know what you've been doing. It's really good fun to do. So thank you all for watching. Thank you for taking part, and we look forward to seeing you for our next design.